Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Chep, and in today's video we are going to make some plain pilau. So here we have 1 glass of rice, tomato paste, we have some onions, and then our pilau ingredients. Here we have some grated tomatoes, some potatoes, and also we have some water here, 2 glasses of water. So let's get to preparing our plain pilau. So we are going to start by putting some cooking oil in my sufuria. That's enough. We add in our onions. So we are going to cook our onions until it turns brown. So our onions have turned brown. So what we are going to do next, we are going to add our grated tomatoes. Then our pilau ingredients. Our tomato paste. Then I add in 1 cup of washed rice. So I've added in my potatoes after putting my rice. So I'm adding in 2 glasses of water. So this is how our plain pilau rice has turned out. We have some potatoes here. So this is how our plain pilau has turned out. It looks so yummy.